Nipidang sampai pi boro sasisen pat syakani ka channel ka jangi bat hakani ka video ngin pe yakini ki post ki barang shulat thamai hapo Meghalaya. Shabang isdang ka video sungubha subscribe ikani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru khnambo pinum do yaki videos ki mangi upload. Pila pun follow ru yangi hapo ka Instagram kani ka di ka Instagram account ka jangi. Yakini ki post lapalai da Kasar Negara Shiksha Abhiyan SSA East Garo Hills District William Nagar mentau benai arajar arpoi. Kikirtang juga nigi post kilongkum ne. Block Resource Person BRP bat ka Out of School Children Coordinator. Kelas date lani ka tarik ka bakat do bapilaban submit yaki applications ki jangpi kedai hau arpau tarik benai Disember arajar arpoi. Yakini ka post Block Resource Person BRP ka balai santli ki post ka jaka jong ka posting kedai ha songsak Samanda bat ha Rongjang BRC ka salary lani ko tulap kadai arpojar South Spark na providing ka hakashi banai ka educational qualification kalongkum ne pla de ban pendap ya ka graduation baka post graduation hakanu ka discipline bat pidi rumandan ka professional degree kum ka BN lani pla de ban pendap ka diploma haka elementary education kum ka DLL lani ka DN bat pidi rubunyo 100% ki marks for pass ya ka class 12. Yakini ka post Out of School Children Coordinator ka balai kawai ka jaka jong ka posting ka ha District Unit SSA SEMAM William Nagar ka salary lani ka tulap ka dai arpondri hajar sauspa hakshi banai ka educational qualification kalongkum ne klade ban pendap ya ka graduation lani ka post graduation haka social work bat pidi rubandan ar hado license working experience. Ki candidates ki belong eligible baki bakwa ban apply kini ki post pihak ban submit ya ka application haka standard form pidai ruban pa ya ki attested copies jong ka academic but professional qualification ka experience certificate but kiwi dia ki documents but artli ki passport size dur ki jong pi shaka office of the deputy commissioner com chairman district unit SSA SEMAM East Garo Hills William Nagar Shwalani haka apotrik benai Disember arajar poi haka por shpobuje mstam hado saubuje janmin hakisngi balong tray ka official notification lani ka notice ka apply hi dekani ka SSA SEMAM ngal ai po description juga ni ko video pila ban download ka ba pila ban pulih lada ka ban tip susu shpang kiwi details.